to show you the Shark hairdryer. I'm going to keep this short and sweet because for the most part it's a hairdryer, and all hairdryers have pretty much the same features. So the features are very similar on this as they are on any other hairdryer. So you have fan can go up all the way or down, heat can go up all the way or down. You have a cooling button to set your style or just cool off while you're blow drying. So when I'm blow drying my hair to get it dry, I open this all the way, the nozzle all the way, and it for drying my hair. And then when I want to style, I can flick it to there, and it makes this come into a narrower spout, so you can use that for styling. So I'm just gonna show you how long this takes to dry medium length, medium weight hair. And yeah, so here we go. There you go. Fully dry hair in 5 minutes. So, and my hair doesn't feel fried. It doesn't feel dried out. Yeah, it feels great, and it's dry in 5 minutes. Pretty awesome.